Lately, it's the English time. Today, my worms are having premium porridge. Yeah, let's see. It's the premium porridge. It's fermented cow dung. We have the fermented cow dung here. The texture is softer. The texture is softer like porridge. My worms love to eat it. I don't know. Maybe it's easier to eat and full of nutrition. Or maybe they don't have teeth. But Lei, we still have one topic that we always debate in Indonesia. It's stirred porridge team versus unstirred porridge team. Which one better? But for my worm, as you see here, they don't care. They will eat everything. But for you, Lei, which one are you? Stirred porridge team or unstirred porridge team? Comment below and let's this settle war.